Hi, boys and girls. Happy Monday and welcome to Math with me, Mrs. Donor. This week, we're going to continue practicing subtraction like you did last week. Specifically, we're going to work more with word problems. So telling stories where we are subtracting or taking away and different ways to solve those. All right, so we're going to start with a video first, and this is just a fun song to review subtraction and some of the different rules and things that go along with it. Here we go.
Sing with me, pirates.
When you subtract with a pirate, yo ho ho you will say. When you subtract with a pirate, you always take away. When you subtract with a pirate, you're always getting less. When you subtract with a pirate, you'll find the difference.
Ahoy, mateys! It's time to do some subtraction stories on our pirate ship. Once upon a time, there were 5 shipmates. I got angry and made 2 of them walk the plank. How many shipmates did I have left? Let's see. 5 minus 2 equals 3. I had 3 shipmates left. All right, it's time for a new story. One day, I had 3 pirate helpers. I got rid of one swashbuckling helper and made him walk the plank. How many pirate helpers did I have left? Let's see. 3 minus 1 equals 2. I had 2 helpers left. One more story. Once upon a time, my ship had 5 pirate parrots. 4 of them irritated me with their squawking, and I made them fly the plank. How many parrots did I have left? Let's think. 5 minus 4 equals 1. I had 1 parrot left.
When you subtract with a pirate, yo ho ho you will say. When you subtract with a pirate, you always take away. When you subtract with a pirate, you're always getting less. When you subtract with a pirate, you'll find the difference.
Ahoy, my buccaneers! This time I'll show you how I subtract me pirate belongings. Once upon a time, I had 8 scary pirate hats. But drat, that sea-blowing wind blew away 4 of my hats. How many hats were left over? Think it over. 8 minus 4 equals 4. I had 4 hats left over. Next story. One morning, I was looking carefully at my 3 pirate treasure maps. Then I realized that one of them was stolen by some terrible landlubber. Shiver me timbers. How many treasure maps did I have left over? Use your brains. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 2 treasure maps left. Last story. One night, I had 1 big treasure chest with lots of gold and jewels. Then, after I had looked away, the 1 treasure chest had disappeared. Arr! How many treasure chests did I have left? Let's see. 1 minus 1 equals nothing. I had 0 treasure chests left. Arr!
When you subtract with a pirate, yo ho ho you will say. When you subtract with a pirate, you always take away. When you subtract with a pirate, you're always getting less. When you subtract with a pirate, you'll find the difference.
All right, boys and girls, so that's just a fun little song and gave you some story problems or word problems also to work through. But there were some important words or phrases in the song that I want to go over. The first one is, it says, when you subtract, you are always taking away. Taking away, that's really important. So when we add, we put things together, and our answer is our biggest number because we're taking one small number, putting them together to make a bigger number. So it's really important to remember that subtraction is the opposite. We're taking a big number, we're taking something away from it, and we end up with a smaller number. So with subtraction, we are taking away. Another word they used in the song was, they said you always end up with less. Okay, so I just went over that. Whatever you start with in subtraction, because you're taking some away, you are always ending up with less than you started with. So if you solve a subtraction problem and you ended up with a bigger number, you know you must have done something wrong. You have to end up with less. And the last one was, when you subtract, your answer is the difference. So that's just a fancy word for the answer in subtraction. It's called the difference. All right, so we're gonna review some of the things you learned last week. First, I just wanna go over what a subtraction problem looks like. So I made this for you. All right, so you have one number minus another number equals your answer or your difference. And the reason I put this around the first box is as a reminder that this is your biggest number. With subtraction, you have to start with your biggest number. Okay, so if I had 6 pieces of cake and my family ate 4 pieces, how many will I have left? I'm starting with 6. We're taking away minus the 4 pieces that my family ate equals what? What's the difference? We're just going to go over a couple solving strategies today. So the first strategy is drawing pictures. All right, so your pictures don't need to be detailed and take a lot of time. They can be quick. You can always just draw like little circles for your pictures. Because we're talking about cake, I'm just going to do little triangles, like slices of cake. So I started with 6. There's my 6 pieces of cake. I'm going to cross out 4 that my family ate. And how many am I left with? 1, 2. 6 take away 4 equals 2. All right, now I'm going to show you on a number line. So if we're doing 6 take away 4, well, remember, we always start with our biggest number. I'm going to start at 6. And here's the important part. We're taking away. We need to move backwards on our number line. Our number is getting smaller. We're going to end up with less, right? So I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. I did 4 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I ended up at 2. So I got the same answer again. And my last strategy I'm going to go over before giving you your task is acting out or using some manipulatives. So I have 6 pieces of cake here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's see if we can get them all on the screen here. All right, and I said that my family ate 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, leaves me with 1, 2 pieces. 6 take away 4 equals 2. All right, boys and girls, your task today is to go on to Seesaw, look for today's math activity, and record that for your teachers. You're going to be working on some subtraction word problems. And I'll see you tomorrow for another fun video and some more practice. Have a good day.